Good day, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you actually sell your crypto in the person-to-person selling system of Binance and actually get the rands or the fiat currency deposited into your account. So let's jump into the video. All right, guys, if you've registered a Binance account, you would have a screen looking very similar to this. So how do you actually sell your crypto? First thing you're going to have to do is the moment that you would like to sell some, you need to move some money into your funding wallet. This is the wallet that Binance uses for you to actually move money around. So this is a special wallet that they've created for the person-to-person option. The first thing you are going to have to do is you are going to have to go to your wallet and transfer money from your fiat wallet into your normal wallet. So how do you do that? You simply click on transfer and then it would say fiat. The bottom one, you simply go to funding and then just click on this little symbol here to switch them around. So this is going from the funding to the fiat, or if you're going from the fiat to the funding. So this is the correct one. You would then choose how much you would like to move and then click confirm. All right, that is step number one. From there, you go to buy crypto, click on person-to-person trading, and from there, you then, whatever crypto you have actually moved into your funding wallet, you will then use to sell towards a fiat currency. So in today's exchange, and guys, this is a really, really great thing. If you are going to be moving some bulk cryptocurrency, so let's say you have about $10,000 worth of USDT that you would like to sell, or maybe you've got over 45,000 Rand that you would like to move. You've actually got bulk dealers that will sell it to you at that day for up to 30 Rand and 93 cents. These come along every now and then. So maybe just keep the money there. When you are ready to sell a big amount, then you can make, that is a huge difference between 17 and all the way to 30 Rand. So step one, make sure that you're on the person-to-person tab. Make sure you're not set to buy, but set to sell. Then choose the currency that you've sent to your wallet. So now I like to move everything in USDT. So now I would go and look for a merchant that I would like to sell to. Like for instance, today we have a really great merchant that is selling at 21 Rand and 16 cents. So if you're going to be selling some of your crypto between 5,000 Rand to 42,000 Rand, this is a really great option. But guys, I always say make sure that you check the T's and C's, right? So if you go to the T's and C's, it says, good day, please kindly take note. Um, he's not making any international bank transfers. He's only going to be doing it locally, so you can make use of them. Remember, as I said in some of my other videos, the gold tech guys are the guys that does a lot of trading volume. They've been around, they have been vetted, and that you can use them. If you would like, you can use some. Just make sure that they're always doing at least a minimum of 10 orders per day before you choose them. So let's say this is a really good exchange. I want to do it at 17 Rand. As you can see here, this will be a problem. Do you see that this person only does chipper cash, which means I cannot send it to my local bank account? It needs to say bank transfer. So I will not be able to use him, but I can go to NFT Museum, which is someone that I use all the time as well. I can simply click on sell my USDT. Then I can either click on all. I don't have any in my funding account right now, but I can then go and type in and say, okay, I'm going to sell my 1,000 USDT, right? So I can type in 1,000. This is the price at which they will pay into my bank account. Make sure that you've got your banking details set up in the system. If you haven't done it before, the system will actually ask you to input your banking details. You'll do that as a once-off tab, and from there you simply click sell USDT. The depositor will actually go and they will deposit this rands directly via an instant payment into your account. And this is very important, guys. Whenever you do anything where the rands, remember, the rands follow before the crypto. Crypto cannot be reversed, rands can. So please make sure that you check your bank account before you release the crypto to them. So this is very, very important, guys. Do not release the crypto to the seller unless you have physically gone into your app and made sure that your money is reflecting in your bank account and that it is exactly that amount set there. All right, guys. So I really hope this helps you to understand how to sell your crypto and get physical fiat money into your bank account. Like I said in all my videos, I don't use local exchanges anymore because Binance has simplified it, and I've got a one-stop shop platform that I actually get to buy and sell my crypto. Guys, if you would like to find out how to buy crypto, I am going to be linking the video up in the corner here. Just have a click on it and then you can actually get onto the video where I show you step by step how to buy your crypto. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys, and I'll catch you guys again in the next video.